Polar bears live in countries which ring the Arctic Circle, and global warming has certainly had a prominent impact on these areas. As more and more greenhouse gas emissions are released into our atmosphere, the sea ice that polar bears depend on is melting. To contribute, the population of their prey, the seal, is also rapidly decreasing. Seals rely on ice for birthing their pups, and if there are less seals, there will inevitably be less polar bears. The polar bear lives on sea ice, and the ice is a hunting platform from which they live, but also a complex ecosystem. It is full of plankton and tiny organisms which provide a base for the long food chain that polar bears sit at the top of. Polar bears became officially endangered in 2008. This happened due to the change in their climate as a result of human activities releasing gas emissions into our overheating atmosphere. Oil spills and leaks may cause polar bears to ingest pollutants and puts their health at risk. Oil also reduces the insulation of the bears' fur. The burning of fossil fuels by humans is contributing to this change in climate, and humans eating meat doesn't help. You probably didn't know that a domestic, overfed cow can release up to 120 kilograms of methane per year. The farming of livestock contributes to the gases in our atmosphere as humans grossly overfeed these animals. Heat from the emissions reaches the Arctic as a result of ocean currents. This warms the atmosphere and accelerates the Arctic sea loss. Foundations like WWF, the David Suzuki Foundation, and Greenpeace are doing everything they can to address climate change. But will their efforts be enough? We need to take action, not just one of us, but all of us. A large-scale, viable solution to this issue may be carbon tax, which is a fee imposed on each ton of emissions from fossil fuels. If we continue at this rate, polar bears will be extinct in the next 40 years.